Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. I haven't made a video about a couple weeks, been pretty busy, but we're going to do a 5-minute market recap today, 5 minutes or less, so let's jump into it. So if you're new to the channel, I do a lot of trading investing videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe and the like button. So let's look at the markets right now today. What happened? We saw a quick pump up to the 358 area on SPY, that's S&P 500 index ETF, and we saw a sell-off over there, and we took some nice bear ETFs, so we make money on the way down, or you can also short stocks where you make money on the way down. So you can make money on the way up in the market, down, and even sideways with options, and all of that is covered in my course. So let's jump into the overall chart. Let's take a look at the yearly chart on this one. So if you look at it on this highlighted section right now, we're kind of testing that triple top area, and we have that resistance right here at the 355 to 360 area. It just can't get over that area right now. So that was a previous support, and now it became a resistance at 360. And if you watched my last video where I talked about how to start investing, a bigger market sell-off coming, and also my 5-minute recap that I posted about a month ago, I talked about all of these levels, and they're kind of validating right now, being that 355 and the 360 is a big resistance. So let's look at the Pinnacle Fibonacci script on this one. This is the basic Fibonacci. You can draw this out, or you can get the script in the chat room. If you go into the education section and click on the pin messages, you can find that over there on how to download it. So let's look at that again. So we see that the Fibonacci is all the way up here at all-time highs, and the next support is right here at 330. So 329.9, but we're going to call it 330. So when I say triple top test, that's when I talk about this area where we see first top right here, and then we see a second top right here in the highlighted section, and then we're seeing a third kind of top form over here, and a triple top test blow off is basically it can't get over the resistance. It really tries to get up there, and then it just fails, and breaks below on the support at 350, and then just crashes down. So that's kind of what we're looking for on this one, because let's take a look at the 3-year chart. We kind of saw this back in December, end of 2019, from December to October to December in 2019. So when we saw this all the way here, we saw this quick triple top. This is one of the perfect triple top, so I'll highlight the section where I'm talking about that. So you notice how it tests 1, 2, 3 and just rejects over there and coming back down. It's kind of a very similar setup right now, so we need to see the 350 and the 330 break, and if it breaks that support and comes below, that's going to be a triple top test and a triple top crash formation. So that's basically it on the overall market update. Some things to watch are going to be basically Trump administration that's going on, where it's transitioning over to the new president, and also we have some tech stocks burning up. We also have the vaccine news that's going around, Pfizer, we have AstraZeneca's COVID vaccine, and a few other things in the market to watch right now, such as stimulus news, but there's not really much upside potential. There's more downside potential. That's why we're taking more bearish ETFs. We're looking to scale out of positions, and also alerted that I sold pretty much all my long-term investment positions recently, and I talk about this in the long-term investing alerts. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor in any way, but this is just something that I suggest, or something that I'm doing, so feel free to follow it, or kind of just see what I'm doing and kind of learn why I'm doing that. And I've been pretty much right on most of the corrections in the past, so you can take that into account. So that's basically it for the 5-minute market update. Those are the quick levels. To conclude, we want to look for the levels of the 360, 355 as a resistance on S&P 500, and we also look for the 350 and a 330 support all the way down here. If we do break that 330 level, next is going to be at 320, and if it does fail and break below, look for a pretty decent correction, about 20-30%, because that's going to be a major support, 325 to 330, and then should see crash back down. Our next support will be all the way down at 300. So you can take a screenshot of these Fibonacci, or you can also get them in the chat room in the education section that I talked about. And if you want to join the chat room, it's completely free. You can join using link in the description or on the website pinnacletrading.us. You can scroll down and click the join now for free button. And if you want to know how to learn charting, trading, money management, risk management, etc., you can grab the course that I have put together, and it teaches you everything from stock market education, foundation, trading psychology, trading and investing, and also some of my secrets that I put together to share to you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you again in my next video.